Trevor, what are we doing to this one?
So this customer is hanging out waiting today while I am doing a catback exhaust. I'm going to be getting rid of the factory exhaust on this brand new F-250 and putting in this pretty nicely made Borla ATAK. I haven't heard too much about the ATAK line, but as of late I've been seeing more and more people talking about it. Haven't personally installed one yet or heard one in person, but I will say the video clips and stuff that I have seen, they add just the right note. So pretty excited to see what it'll do on this F-250 gasser. Alright, so got the old exhaust out, managed to get the new Borla ATAK system in. Haven't done a cold start or anything yet, just finalized location of everything, including the exhaust tip. On this system, there's not really much you can do other than change the angle for clearance. So it's unfortunate you won't be able to see the actual nice stamped Borla because it's under the edge of the tailgate, but the system is in. And we'll provide you guys with a cold start video here in a minute.